We are all here today to assure our minister, who is our own representative in the federal cabinet, that when he leaves here, he should tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that we are strong, we are formidable, and we are behind him all through.
Yes.
I have no regret when I stood by with my colleagues and friends that this is the period the presidency must go to the south. There was nothing I was not offered. I said no. Bera. Now that you have taken, let these other people take. I have no regret at all. And that's why we continue to support the government of Aswaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. We did not contest election based on social media. We contested election talking to the people listening to us and believing in us. My dear people of Gokana, particularly the Bera people, I don't play politics because you're in this party, you're in the other party, and then you avoid friendship. No. Party will come and go. Friendship will remain. And that's why I've come to tell Victor today. We may have made our mistakes. We are all human. It's not true. We are all human. But friendship is very, very key.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.